Is it too late for you to join Fiverr right now in this year? Well, if you are considering to join Fiverr but you're not really sure if now is the perfect time to join Fiverr just because you think that it's too saturated or it's too crowded or there are thousands and thousands of sellers on the platform and you won't be able to stand out. Is that what you're thinking? Well, spoiler alert, it's never too late and it's surely a great time to join Fiverr right now. Hey everyone, it's me Afreen and welcome back to my channel where I post videos on freelancing, social media and online entrepreneurship. Well, in today's video, I will be sharing with you 4 reasons why you need to join Fiverr right now and why right now is the perfect time to join the platform. So if you're watching this video towards the end of 2020 or if you're watching this video in 2021, believe me, it's never too late. And in this video, I will be sharing with you 4 reasons that will truly convince you why you need to join Fiverr right now, today, as soon as possible. So let's get started. Also, make sure you watch till the end of the video because there's a bonus profile optimization checklist for you guys, which I can give you for absolutely free. So stay tuned until the end so that you can grab it for free. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so let's start with the very first reason to join Fiverr right now or as soon as possible is that Fiverr promotes new sellers. Believe me or not, Fiverr actually is a big advocate of new sellers joining in the platform every single day. And even though there are thousands and thousands of sellers on the platform, Fiverr will still give new sellers a chance to stand out on the platform and to stand out in the algorithm. When I joined Fiverr in 2019, it was still saturated, it was still crowded, but I managed to stand out and I managed to earn approximately $1,000 per month on Fiverr. I became a level 1 seller and then a level 2 seller and was earning a consistent income off of Fiverr. So it doesn't matter when you are joining Fiverr, but obviously the sooner the better because Fiverr's algorithm will actually boost you up and it will give you more chances to have that order on the platform. Now, if you don't believe me, I have so many students in my Freedom with Fiverr program who were absolutely new sellers and they started off in 2020 as a brand new seller on the platform and they were able to rank on the first page of Fiverr. They were able to get promoted on a level 1 seller on Fiverr as well as they were able to earn consistent income off of Fiverr. So if they can do it, so can you. So obviously now is the best time to join Fiverr. So if you are ready to become a Fiverr freelancer, join the platform today because you never know, the algorithm can change anytime soon. So make sure that you are leveraging the algorithm right now because you never know what will happen in the future. Now, if you were thinking that, oh, I have a very old Fiverr profile that I created in 2015 or 2016, but I'm not really active on the platform, don't worry about it. You can still use that exact same profile and start afresh. Make sure that you're not creating a duplicate profile because obviously Fiverr does not allow duplication. Just use that exact same profile and don't worry, Fiverr will still recognize you as a new seller or as a fresh new freelancer. Just make sure that you are optimizing your profile and your gigs and doing everything right on the platform so that Fiverr knows that now you are active and you are serious in your freelancing journey. Reason number 2. Fiverr went public. So basically Fiverr released its IPO in the New York Stock Exchange back in 2019, basically in the mid of 2019, June to be exact, and Fiverr's IPO was actually listed on the stock exchange. Now, why am I telling you all this? This is important to know because Fiverr will now spend more money to get those buyers on the platform. So at the end of the day, if Fiverr has to improve and increase its revenue, it will do all those strategies and all those marketing tactics to get more buyers on the platform. And once there are more buyers on the platform, that means it will be a very good opportunity for new sellers on the platform as well. Now, obviously, if there are more buyers and not enough sellers, sellers would actually get a huge advantage of it. So make sure that you are joining Fiverr as soon as possible so that you are leveraging this opportunity as well. Now, obviously, this might sound too theoretical for you, so let me give you a quick example. So this is a dashboard screenshot that you see on the screen and this is basically for the year 2019. As you can see, for the first half of 2019, my sales were decent enough between $500 to $600, $700, not beyond that. But after June and July 2019, I was able to almost double my revenue and double my income as well. that clearly shows that since there were more buyers and more opportunity on Fiverr, I was able to earn more from Fiverr platform as well. Now, obviously, I am not saying that this is only because Fiverr went public or there were so many buyers on the platform. Previously, I already had those reviews and those orders and that momentum going in on the platform. That's why it was easier for me to leverage that opportunity. But don't worry, even as a new seller, since I already mentioned that Fiverr will promote you, you can surely take advantage of more buyers coming onto the platform and you can sell your work on the platform and scale it up later. So the next reason why you need to join Fiverr right now as soon as possible is that there are zero barriers to entry, meaning that it is absolutely easy and user-friendly for you to join Fiverr right now. So as compared to other freelancing platforms like Upwork or Guru.com or Freelancer.com, I believe, this is completely my opinion, I feel that Fiverr is a lot easier and user-friendly, which means that anybody can start on the platform, including a complete beginner and an absolute expert. Apart from it being user-friendly and very easy for you to use, Fiverr is actually free as well. You don't need to pay any money on the platform. You don't need to invest anything on the platform, and there is no upfront cost attached to you as a freelancer. So you can use Fiverr for absolutely free, and there are no charges attached to sending proposals to potential buyers. Now, if you know about Upwork, Upwork actually charges a certain amount in order to send proposals to buyers. So that's why as a fresh new freelancer, you might be hesitant to spend money on the platform before you can get any money off of it. So that's why Fiverr is an excellent alternative to join, because not only it is user friendly, but it is absolutely free as well. So make sure that you are joining Fiverr right now, because you never know, Fiverr might charge you in the future. So it's very important that you are leveraging that free opportunity right now before it's too late. Also, if you are absolutely clueless about Fiverr and if you don't know anything about Fiverr, don't worry, I have got you covered. Make sure you watch this video, because in this video, I am actually sharing top 12 things that you need to know as a new seller on Fiverr. So everything is covered in this video if you are a fresh new seller on the platform. Now, the next reason why you need to join Fiverr right now is that gig economy is the future and online entrepreneurship is definitely booming. Especially with this pandemic, work from home is now more popular than ever. Make sure that you are leveraging this opportunity and taking advantage of this opportunity right now if you want to have your own business or if you want to work from anywhere in the world. And it's not just about Fiverr. Join Upwork, join other freelancing platforms. By the way, if you want to know about freelancing platforms, you can actually check this video where I recommend top freelancing platforms. But make sure that you are joining a platform. Believe me, gig economy is a future. And if you don't take advantage of it right now, you will be missing out on a humongous opportunity. So I would encourage you to start on Fiverr or any other platform. The sooner the better, because obviously the sooner you start, the faster you will be able to get those results. If I talk about Fiverr, Fiverr has completely changed my life. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. I was able to work from home or anywhere in the world. And it's not just about me. My students were able to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They were able to start their freelancing journeys even as a student studying in university, or they were able to have multiple sources of income just with Fiverr as well. And in order to get these results, you don't need to become an expert. You can surely start as a complete beginner, absolutely clueless about Fiverr, and you can obviously learn your way up. So obviously, the sooner you'll start, the faster and more easier you'll be able to grow your freelancing business. Alright, so now let me share with you the bonus that I already talked about in the start of the video. So if you want to learn how to create an impressive profile on Fiverr as a fresh new seller, and if you want to attract those clients and get those orders, make sure you grab my profile optimization bonus. The link is in my description box below and in the comment section. You can grab that for absolutely free. Make sure to download it as soon as possible, because I might take it off as well. This guide will actually teach you how you can create and optimize your profile in a very efficient manner. And not only that, it will help you with your profile picture, your username, your headline, your description, and other miscellaneous things that you need to keep in mind while creating and optimizing your Fiverr profile. Again, make sure you check that out. The link is in the description box below and in the comment section. Now, so far in this video, we have talked about why it's important to start on Fiverr right now, as soon as possible, or at your earliest. But I know that most of you guys will feel that, okay, I don't have enough skills, or I don't have any expertise, or I don't have any experience to join on Fiverr. What will I actually sell? So if that's what you're thinking, make sure you hit the notification bell, because in my next video, I will be sharing with you 5 gig ideas that you can absolutely start selling on Fiverr without having any skill or expertise. Yes, you heard that right. So make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are the first one to know when that video comes out. And while you wait for my next videos, make sure you check out these 2 videos as well. I post videos on freelancing, social media, and online entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.